Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. So today we will discuss important MCQs of history. So the first question is, the radical wing of the Congress party with Jawaharlal Nehru as one of its main leaders founded the Independence for India League in opposition to what? Option A, the Finance Commission. Option B, the National Development Council. Option C, Nehru Report. Option D, the Constitution of India. So you can write your answer in the comment section. So I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option C, Nehru Report. So Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose as secretaries and S. Srinivas Iyengar as president founded Independence for India League to oppose the Nehru Report. They demanded complete independence and imposition of social structure in the country. So you should know the important role that was played by Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose. So these two personalities are very important from UPSC prelims exam point of view, and you should also know the about the Congress party and especially about the radical wing of the Congress party. You can read the recommendations of the Nehru report. So why Gandhiji and why Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose opposed Nehru report. So you should know about all these reports and the background of this party, and you should also know the objectives of this party, that is Independence for India League. So this was all about question number 1, and now let us discuss question number 2. The last opportunity to avoid the partition of India was lost with the rejection of option A, Cripps Mission. Option B, Rajgopalachari formula. Option C, Cabinet Mission. Option D, Wavell Plan. So you can write your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option C, Cabinet Mission. So Cabinet Mission 1946 was the last opportunity to avoid the partition of India with the formation of interim government, but Muslim League rejected the plan even though they won 73 out of 78 seats in the interim government. They did not attend the first meeting of Constituent Assembly on December 9, 1946. So you should know the objectives of Cripps Mission, what was Rajgopalachari formula. So was this formula implemented or not? What about Cabinet Mission? What are the members involved in Cabinet Mission? So what was the objective of Cabinet Mission? So, and about Wavell Plan also, who introduced Wavell Plan? What was the objective of it? So what are the pre and post events that is related to Wavell Plan? So you should also know the importance of other plans. This can come in upcoming prelims examination as well. So the answer of this question is option C, Cabinet Mission, but you should also know about other options which are given in this question. Now let us discuss question number 3. With reference to Rowlatt Satyagraha, which of the following statements is or are correct? First, the Rowlatt Act was based on the recommendations of the Sedition Committee. Second, in Rowlatt Satyagraha, Gandhiji tried to utilize the Home Rule League.
Third, demonstrations against the arrival of Simon Commission coincided with Rowlatt Satyagraha. So select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A, 1 only. Option B, 1 and 2 only. Option C, 2 and 3 only. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. So you can pause the video and you can write your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option B, 1 and 2 only. So the Rowlatt Committee was a sedition committee appointed in 1918 by the British Indian government with Mr. Justice Rowlatt, an English judge, as its president. The purpose of the committee was to evaluate political terrorism in India, especially Bengal and Punjab. In organizing his satyagraha, Gandhiji tried to utilize three types of political networks: the Home Rule Leagues, certain pan Islamist groups, and a Satyagraha Sabha, which he himself started in Bombay on 24th February. So, you should know about Rowlatt Satyagraha. What was the pre event that resulted in Rowlatt Satyagraha? And likewise, post event also. And you should also know about Sedition Committee. And parallelly, you can prepare some important committees that has a potential to come in upcoming prelims exam. So in this way you can read additional topics also. So now let us discuss question number 4. With reference to the history of India, Ulgulan or the Great Tumult is the description of which of the following events? Option A, the revolt of 1857. Option B, the Mappila Rebellion of 1921. Option C, the Indigo Revolt of 1859 to 1860. Option D, Birsa Munda's Revolt of 1899 to 1900. So you can write your answer in the comment section. I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option D, Birsa Munda's Revolt of 1899 to 1900. So in 1890s, under the leadership of Birsa Munda, the Mundas of the Chota Nagpur plateau rebelled against the British. It was called Ulgulan. So the answer of this question is option D, Birsa's Munda Revolt of 1899 to 1900. So this was a question that was asked in 2020 prelims exam. So actually these tribal movements and revolts are extremely important from UPSC prelims exam point of view. So you should also know the revolt of 1857. So why this war is known as the war of first independence, and you should also know about the prominent leaders that were involved in the revolt of 1857. Similarly, you can read about Mappila Rebellion and Indigo Revolt. So this can come in upcoming prelims exam as a question itself. Let us now discuss question number 5. The object of the Butler Committee of 1927 was to: option A, define the jurisdiction of the central and provincial governments. Option B, define the powers of the Secretary of State for India. Option C, impose censorship on national press. Option D, improve the relationship between the government of India and the Indian states. So you can write your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option D. The Butler Committee 1927 was set up to examine the nature of the relationship between the states and the government. Hence, option D is the fitting answer. So UPSC asked question on Butler Committee in one of the previous years. So in upcoming prelims exam, you can prepare some important committees which has a potential of coming in prelims examination. So you can prepare that important committees. So it is not possible to prepare all the committees that were in modern Indian history or in medieval or ancient India, but you can prepare some important committees which has a potential of appearing in upcoming prelims exam. So this was all about today's video. You can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.